Is Apple TV worth it? Apple TV can refer to both the Apple TV streaming device and the Apple TV app with Apple TV Plus streaming service. Whether it is worth it depends on the use case, content availability, and alternatives. Below is a detailed comparison of its value. Apple TV streaming device. The Apple TV 4K is a premium streaming device that offers fast performance, excellent video quality, and seamless Apple ecosystem integration. It supports 4K Ultra HD, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos for high-quality streaming. Pricing starts at $129 for the HD version and $149 for the 4K version. Best for Apple users who want a smooth experience with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and HomeKit devices. Apple TV app. The Apple TV app is free to download on iPhones, iPads, Macs, smart TVs, and streaming devices. It allows users to rent or buy movies and TV shows without a subscription. Acts as a hub to access content from Apple TV Plus, iTunes, and other streaming services like HBO, Starz, and Showtime. Apple TV Plus streaming service. Costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year. Focuses only on Apple originals, including Ted Lasso, The Morning Show, Severance, and Foundation. Ad-free streaming, 4K UHD quality, and offline downloads available. Free trials available for new subscribers and Apple device purchases. Alternatives to Apple TV device. Roku and Amazon Fire Stick offer similar streaming capabilities at lower prices, $30 to $60. Google Chromecast provides voice control and casting options at a more affordable price. Apple TV excels in smooth performance and ecosystem integration, but is not the cheapest option. Alternatives to Apple TV Plus, Netflix, Disney Plus, and HBO Max offer more extensive content libraries but cost more. Apple TV Plus is best for viewers who enjoy high-quality original content rather than mainstream TV shows or movies. Apple One Bundle allows users to combine Apple TV Plus with Apple Music, iCloud, and Arcade for better value. Who should consider Apple TV? The Apple TV device is great for those invested in the Apple ecosystem or who want premium streaming quality. The Apple TV app is useful for those who prefer renting or buying movies instead of subscribing to a service. Apple TV Plus is worth it for fans of exclusive original content, but lacks a large back catalog like other platforms. Apple TV is worth it for Apple users who want seamless integration, high-quality streaming, and premium content. The Apple TV device is best for those who prioritize smooth performance, while Apple TV Plus is ideal for viewers seeking original programming rather than a vast content library.